This strategy has made me make $1,000 in one day trading 15 minutes on the charts. If you're struggling to be successful on the stock market, give this strategy a try and you won't be disappointed. Over the past month, I've had a 90% consistency rate by just trading New York Open. In this video, I'm going to show you an example of how the strategy works with a live breakdown of how to execute the trade. So say this is a chart for the day. As we can see, we have a sell side right down here. Same thing with a buy side right up here. And moving a bit forward, we have a sell side right down here, buy side right up here. So we always want to mark out our times. Then we can also see that we have an inversion right before it takes sell side. Then we can see that there's going to be a strong push upwards. And if it creates that inversion, we can see that it's going to continue upwards. Then, same thing, hits buy side, look for the inversion. If there's an inversion, when it comes back into the zone, then you know to take it. But you should always follow the trend. If it's an uptrend, then if it takes buy side, the downward potential isn't going to be that strong. If it takes sell side on an uptrend, then you're going to have a much stronger move. For example, again, over here, we come down, we take sell side. Look for an inversion, both on the 5 and the 1 minute. If you can find one, then you would enter this trade and get a standard deviation of -2. So if that has confused you at all, this is going to make it much simpler to understand. We have a sell side right down here with a buy side right up here at the higher time frame on the 15 minute. We come down to the 5 minute. What we want to do now is we want to analyze what we have. We have a sell side down here with a buy side up here. Let's go a bit forward in time. We just saw that created an inversion right here. With that inversion, we want to come down to the lower time frame, and we have our inversion as well right here. So now we are going to take a standard deviation from the lows to our high of our inversion gap, and we're going to take a buy. Stop loss right below the last lows, and we're going to target a -2. So let's see how this goes now. We came down, tapped right into the inversion on the higher time frame. We just broke past a -1 very strong, which gives us a strong indication that that -2 is going to get hit. So that was a very beautiful trade. A1 ICT strategy with a sweep of liquidity with an inversion push to the upside. So that's going to be the video today. I really hope you got some knowledge out of it, and go give it a try, back test it, like the strategy, let me know in the comments. Maybe if you didn't understand something, let me know in the comments as well. And I really do hope that you liked the video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, noties on. I hope you have an amazing day.